Okay, I'm going to be baking. So I wanted to show you something really quick. This recipe that I'm doing, it's for scones. And I remember the scones that I used to get, savory scones that I used to get at a local co-op store. But these scones are going to be strawberry scones. And I have the butter in there. I don't want to overmix it right now. And what I have is frozen butter. And I basically grate this is a baking technique. You don't overmix. You scrape the butter on this. So you get your butter, it's frozen, and then you scrape it on there, and then you add it to your dry ingredients, which should be already mixed. So, and then you just gently, so the butter is going to come out like flakes. So each flake of butter you want to gently, wrap each flake with, each grated piece of butter with the flour. And then you add in your wet ingredients, and then you go ahead and follow. And I'll show you what the results are. And you add your wet ingredients, and then you follow the rest of the recipe. But this is just a technique. In grating your butter, it'll make your pastry or your scones a lot flakier and nice. So, okay. I'll talk to you later. Bye.